Meaning of gardener's question time.
Gardener's question time.
Gardener's question time.
Gardener's question time.
Gardener's question time. Gardener's Question Time is a radio program in the United Kingdom that focuses on gardening. It has been running since 1947 and features a panel of gardening experts who answer questions from listeners. The show covers a wide range of topics related to gardening, such as plant care, garden design, and landscaping. It has become a beloved institution in the UK, with a dedicated following among garden enthusiasts. The program has inspired books, events, and even a touring roadshow, all focused on sharing gardening knowledge and promoting the joy of gardening.